You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing vocabulary in English that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning more. Driven is how you say it, stress on the first syllable. Driven is how you say it. And now you know. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. More videos for you here if you want to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.